Alright, welcome to the video. We're going to be going over how to install SideQuest on version 2.4, I believe. It's currently June 22nd, 2026. So let's get to it. Number one, we're going to want to get Lightning Launcher. You want to get this app as soon as you can because this is an app that goes against what Meta wants us to be able to do. So get in there, go to the store, find your search, and search for Lightning Launcher. There she be. Download it and install it. It's an amazing app. Before, the only way you can get Lightning Launcher is by using Mobile VR Station, which has been obsoleted. It no longer works, as most of you guys who are watching this video already knows. So go ahead and get that open. We don't need the Metastore app open anymore, so we can close it. There it is. Get my recordings button out of the way. We'll just put it to the side for now. Press your Meta button. And we're going to open the browser. Search for a website. Type in SideQuest VR. It's just sidequestvr.com, or you could just search for it. I'm just going to show you what happens when you search for it. There's SideQuest. Go to SideQuest Home. I'm already signed in. Hey, Bearski. Make sure you create an account. Easy peasy. Make sure the account that you use is going to be the same account that you use for Minecraft, your Microsoft account. If you have Minecraft installed on your computer, that way you can play QuestCraft. Very cool. Just as a special note, don't just use any email. So we're going to go to not get SideQuest. We're going to go to search and type in SideQuest VR. And hit the search button. It should pop up right here. There it is. Don't click on the download or the love button, even though we do love SideQuest. Click on that and scroll down. Don't look for Silo. Don't look for any of this stuff. We want to scroll down and go to download APK directly and click on the GitHub link. Scroll down. We are looking for the app-release.apk. Download completed. We're just going to move our browser to the right over here. Bring Lightning Launcher to front and center. Now we're looking for files. This guy over here, we can expand it a little bit so it's a little bit easier. And we're going to look for the app-release.apk. Mine has an 8 because I've done this at least 8 times for you guys, but you know, I gotta put up a new video every time something breaks. So we're gonna click on the app-release.apk. Never mind that 8. Click on it. It's gonna ask you if you want to install. Click install. One is completed. Go ahead and click open. It's going to ask you to go to the site and enter a number. The number will be different. This is a one-time code that's only valid for so long. So I'm not afraid that you guys know what it is. So there. So we're going to go to that site, SDQ. Why am I in my numbers? sdq.st/link. And then we're going to click on this one at the top here. So since I've already logged in, it's given me this, enter the 6-digit code here. Just going to click that to bring up our number keyboard pad, 937. Well, keyboard is freaking out a little bit for some reason. Every button is switching back to my... There we go. We enter the code. It's asking if I want to link, and I'm going to say yes, link now. Success, we're good to go. So we're going to hit close, and we are now done with the browser. It's asking if we want to allow access to the app storage. We're going to click allow. There is an update available, so we're going to click update SideQuest and click update. It's going to be insanely quick. Because this is an unknown app, MetaQuest would like you to be sure that this is a safe app, and we know that it is. Let's go ahead and flip the switch and click update. Then hit the go back arrow. SideQuest will crash. That's okay. We can now use Lightning Launcher to either open our app, because it opens all the apps. It might have to actually refresh it just once to make it show up in Lightning Launcher, but get out of my way, recording. Get out of here. If we go back into the App Store by clicking the Meta Virtual button or the physical button on our right controller, to get to unknown sources, we want to go to this button here on the left, menu, and go to unknown sources, and then we can find SideQuest VR. So SideQuest VR has a lot of games that are not on the Quest Store, a lot of free games, a lot of fancy games. We have some really cool, some amazing games, such as Quest VR, The Amazing Digital Circus, as well as probably one of the better Attack on Titan games. And that's how you get SideQuest currently in June 2026. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, and comment. Say whatever you want in the comments. Everything helps the engagement. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bearski out.